Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add location in Google Maps. Friends, if you want to add a location in Google Maps, then you need to open maps.google.com in your web browser. Now here you need to click on the three lines. Now here you need to click on add a missing place. Now enter the place which you want to add. For example, I am entering a marketplace. Now according to the name it will give some search results. If you find already the place is registered, then you can select from here, otherwise you can ignore it. Now after giving the name you need to select the category. Now give a address. Now from the map you need to select the exact location of the place. So click on the map. Now here select the location. Basically you need to point this red icon on the exact place. So after selecting the exact location, click on save. Now click on submit. Now after reading, click on OK. So your suggestion to add a location in Google Map is submitted. So friends, like this you can very easily add a location in Google Maps. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.